So in the continuation of same of the cryptic mathematics, let's solve some more questions. So the questions. Okay, let's read the question first. Substitute different digits from 0 to 9 to different letters in the problem given alongside, such that, so in this one we have to fill the value 1 2 3 something like that, we are not sure. Okay, such that it results in the maximum value of money. So our first question is, we have to choose in a way that whatever the value we are getting over here should be the maximum. This is the first condition. Great. Money as n digit number and answer the following. Yes, n digit number, we cannot just take 0 over here. Okay, so that's the thing. And then question is asking what is the value of y. So value of y, what is the value of n, and which digit is not utilized. Okay, which means there are total of not, like if we total, it should be less than 10 digits. Okay, great. What is the value of money? So at the end of the day we have to find out this value also. And in this one also, y is asking, n is asking, m is asking, and some digits are not utilized. So the easiest thing first of all to bring this question, copy and paste it. So while pasting, let's increase its size and try to solve. So first thing first, if I want it to be bigger, in like money to be maximum, so 5-digit value can be maximum 99999. So these all places could be 9 possible. But if I see for m, what I can say, that the maximum value of this term could be 999, this 2 term could be 99, this 4 terms could be 9999. But even if we add everything, we cannot get all the digits 9. The maximum what I can get is 1019 or something, 19 in the terms 1. So first thing is done. See, it's just like if you add this to maximum 2 digit and 1 digit, so you cannot get maximum of 3 digit. You can just get 108 in one terms only, no matter what you try. If you add one more 9, so this only you will get. This is the same thing happening over here. So again, in the beginning what I should write, 0 1 2 okay. So one thing I can easily one thing I want to maximize, so it's up to me. What I can do is, if I want to maximize, then I will give it 9, and I will add these two things in such a manner that one will be coming over here as a carry, so it will be coming either 0 1 2 3, but here maximum will be 1. So the value of m I have already declared, that is 1. So I will change over here also, the value is 1. The value over here will also be 1. Okay. So second thing which I want for this to be maximum, I want, see, 1 is already been considered, so what could be the maximum value? 1999 something. So I want O to be the maximum. Okay, so I want O to be maximum. But one more thing, if I notice that P and E, two numbers, if I add two numbers, okay, P and E, if I add two numbers, what is the maximum I can get carry? So the P and maximum 817, so only 1 I can get over here carry. So one more thing is here, 2 we cannot see, some might people 9817. So if 3 can get carry from the previous one, then it can be 20. But 3 can get, do you really think that 3 can get carry away? Even if I think A as 9, which is not possible because 9 has already been given allotted to P, but still if I take a consideration, 9 plus 9 18 plus 1 20. So maximum 9 plus 9 18 plus 1 19 only, which is also not possible. 9 should also be not here. 8 here should be maximum. Even if I take 8, then also it's not possible. So what I can say is that the maximum which can come over here is 1. The maximum which can come over here will be 1. So if 1 is coming as a carry, 1 is coming as a carry, so what should I keep here so that to make it in this terms? So of course r should be 9. R should be 9. Then only 1 will come as a carry, because p plus e, even if I take 9 over here, then the next big number is 8 plus 7. 8 7 15. 5 cannot come carry over here. So that is for sure that only 1 will be coming carry, and 9 plus 1 will be coming as 10. Okay, so if I take 9 here, 8 7, so 6 6 6 6 12 8 13, so 7 cannot come carry. So that is totally unrealistic, no matter which trial error we do. So now I can say that my r is 9, and my o is 0. Okay, so r being 9, o is 0. Okay, this much is done. So now in front of me there are p, e, n, a, e. Okay, so one thing if I notice from the last digit, that is y plus e plus l equal to y. So when it can be possible? It can only be possible when these two numbers are 0. E and L equal to 0, but according to question these are all distinct. So which means that this is also not possible. E and E equal to L equal to 0 is not possible. So what else is possible? One condition I can say, when E plus L equal to 10, then only I can say that okay, yes, E plus L is 10, so 10 plus y will be there, and 1 will be going over to the carry. Okay, so I can say this: E plus L equal to 10, right? So what are the possible values of E plus L? So 2 8, yeah, then again interchange is there, 3 7 6 4, this much only possible values, right? Because I have already interchanged, I have written interchange over here, so that much over here. So E and L are this much. But one thing I can say, that neither of E and L is 5. Neither of L is 5. Okay, so one thing is done for sure. Now what next thing I'm learning over here is E plus L is 10. 1 will be coming carry over here. So what I can write over here, A plus, where's my blue pen? A plus 1 plus A, okay, and then plus 1, this plus 1, A plus 1 plus A, and the carry of 1 is coming over here, which is equal to E. So it is nothing but 2A plus 2 equal to E, which is nothing but 2 into A plus 1 equal to E. This is also one more equation I've got, that is 2 into A plus 1 equal to E. Okay, so this also signifies one thing, that our E, the value of E is even. Our value E is even. So once we got this value E is even, we can easily eliminate one more case. This is odd, E cannot be odd, so this whole case is erased. Now E could be 2, L could be 8, or E could be 8, L could be 2, E could be 6, then L will be 4. If E is 4, then L L will be 6. Okay, so till now we have done till here. So okay, and with this one, can we say that one carry got here? We cannot say for sure that there is some carry which came over here. One thing is there, E is coming over here, so it's easy to attack E. It's easy to attack E. And then okay, in next one, what is happening, that this is for sure that one is coming carry over here, that is P plus E equal to N. So there could be two possibility. First possibility is P plus E equal to 10 plus N possibility, or P plus E they carry 1, P plus E. See, one carry is coming, this is for sure, so this is 10 plus N for sure. Second thing is, if one carry is coming over here, so P plus E plus 1. Okay, again the same thing, that is it will be becoming 10 plus N, but I am not sure which one is correct. So these are the cases as of now in front of me. These are the cases. Okay, and at the same time I want the value, while all these things is happening, I want N to be maximum. I want my N to be maximum. So what I'm going to do over here, P plus E. So maximum value of E could be 8. So 8 plus something is 10 plus N. Okay, if E value is 8, if I take here as 8, so again A will be 4. I need to find some correlation. And P if I take N as 8, let's take the value of E as 2, then L will be 8. If E is 2, if E equal to 2, L equal to 8. If E will be 2, then A will be 0, right? Because if E is 2 equal to 2 into A plus 1, it will go, so A plus 1 equal to 1, A equal to 0, which is not possible. So E cannot be 2. So here is the only possibility, one is 8 and 2. I removed the arrow key to emphasize that okay, this is not a replaceable. So E cannot be 2. One thing is done. Okay, let's think of a case. If my E equal to 4, then L equal to 6, and if here is 4 equal to 2 into A plus 1, equal to 2, A equal to 1. This is also not possible because M is already equal to 1. So I can say E is 4, also not possible. Let me write E equal to 2, not possible. E equal to 2, not possible. E equal to 4, not possible. E equal to 4, not possible. So E can be 6 and L will be 4. Okay, Now these are the two conditions that is left with me. Okay, let's take another again value. If my e equal to 6, then L equal to 4, 2 into a plus 1 equal to e, right? E equal to 6, so a plus 1 equal to 3, a equal to 2, which is still possible. A will be 2, a will be 2, so e will be 6, L equal to 4, a will be 2, right? Is it possible? E plus L, okay, great. A will be 2, so if a will be 2, so if I replace 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5, carry come 1 6, e is 6, so no carry is coming over here. Here is 6, here is 6. If no carry is coming, so 6 plus p equal to n. So what could be the possible value? So p will be 7 is taken or not? 7 is not taken, right? P could be 7, P could be 8, anything could be P. P could be anything. And to maximize, if I take P equal to 8, 8, 6, 14, so N will be 4, N will be 4, and 1 will be going to carry. So, which is not possible again because L is already 4. So if I take 7, P equal to 7, so 7 plus 6, 13, so N could be 3. That is a possibility, that my N could be 3. If I take E equal to 8, L will be 2, E equal to 8, L will be 2. Then my A equal to 4 minus 1, 3. Okay, so let's go by the basics, like take different values of n, but again then I don't know. Let's take the value of n. Let's take this. If n equal to 9 is done, so if n equal to 8, what will happen? So if n equal to 8, if my n becomes 8, if my n becomes 8 over here, if my n is 8, if my n becomes 8, so I want a carry, so 18, I want the sum to be 18. So my sum to for my sum to be 18, what I will need? 9 plus 9, 9 plus 9, which is not possible. 9 plus 8 is also not possible because 1 is not coming carry. Or even if I take 1 is taking carry, and is already done, so n being 8 is not possible. Is not possible. N equal to 7. So for n to be 7, if I want n to be 7, so P plus E, let's just write now. If n equal to 7, then P plus E equal to 17, or P plus E equal to 16. But in this case, 1 should be coming carry. Okay. So 17 is possible. Is 17 possible? P plus E is 17 possible. For P plus E to be 17, 8 plus 8 should be there, or if not 8 plus 8, then 9 plus 8 should be there. So 9 is already not possible. and already taken, so this condition is not possible. If I take this condition, 8 plus 7, in this condition also not possible, 8 plus 8, so this is n equal to 7 is also not possible. Let's take n equal to 6, n equal to 6, so p plus e will be 16, yeah, p plus e equal to 15, anything of it is possible. So if I take this condition, so as of now my 8 7 is doing nothing, so 8 plus 7 is 15, 8 plus 7 is 15, so 16 cannot be possible without taking any this one, so this is not possible, but 8 plus 7 is 15 is possible. But then again it is a condition, it is having a condition that one carry should come. So if one carry will going to come, then p and e will be 8 and 7. One more thing I can say, if p and e is these two number 8 plus 7, so according to this p cannot be 7, p can be e can be only 8, so our e will be 8 and p will be 7, l will be 2 and a will be, if e is 8, then our a will be how much? Our a will be 4, 3, right? 8 na, 8 divided by 4, 3, our a will be 3. If our a is 3, let's just check now I can check also. If a will be 3, 3 is 6, 7 plus carry 1, 8, so our e is becoming over here 8, but there is no carry is coming, there is no carry coming. If a is, the value of a is 3, so carry not possible, so this condition is also wrong. So what could be the value of, if I take n equal to 5, then again p plus e equal to 15, either p plus e will be 14, but again one should be carry. So p plus, for this one what could be the possible, 8 plus 7 15, this value, and for this value again e will be going to be 8, p will be 7, p will be here, right, p will be 7. If e is 8, then l will be 2, our l will be 2, if then a will be how much, a will be 3, so this is a possibility. Okay, this is a possibility that this could happen, as because as till now no issue is there. Okay, so what is n is becoming 5, p will be 7 p will be 7, e will be 8, so this is a possibility till now. But then again we cannot only depend upon these two values, 8 2, okay, because there is also this possibility na, we cannot just foresee. So for this to happen, 8 plus 6 is 14, what else I can take, 7 plus 7 is not possible, so only this is possible, 8 plus 6 value is possible. Okay, another value 9 is already taken, so 8 plus 6 is only possible, and I know that e can be 6 na, yes, e can be 6, or if e becoming 8, just take 2 na, e can be 6, e can be 8, in that case p will be, let's solve this one first, p will be how much, p will be 8, if e is 6, then our l will be 4 and our a will be again how much, 6, 3, 2, right? Because 2 into a plus 1 equal to e, right? So a plus 1 equal to e value 6, so 3, a plus 1 equal to 2. So if again I take a equal to 2, if a equal to 2, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5, 1 carry is coming 6, e value 6 coming, but there is no carry coming. But in the beginning we took a condition, we chose a condition a should be the carry 1, a should come as a carry. So I can say this case is not possible. Case 1, case 2, again case 2. So in this case, if e is 8, then p will be 6. If e is 8, l will be 2, a will be 3. Again, this is the same condition, e is 8, this one is 3. But again, I remember in this case, this carry is not coming. So I can say this is also wrong, this is also wrong. But I know that I want n to be maximum. For n to be maximum, this will be the values. This will be the values, because to me it's been said that I want the maximum value of n. So for the maximum value of n, this will be my numbers. This will be my numbers. What are the numbers? N equal to 5. N equal to 5. What are the different numbers? E equal to 8, L equal to 2. E equal to 8, L equal to 2. Done. P equal to 7, A equal to 3. P equal to 7 and A equal to 3. Okay. So 1058 is done. 1058. Let me write all the digits nicely. P is 7. P is 7. E is 8. E is 8. N is 5. My N is 5, correct, which follows this one. A is 3. A is 3. And L. L is 2. L is 2. Okay. L becomes my 2. So for this to be maximum, what could be the value of y? Y could be 6. Y will be, y will be 6, so that it could be maximum, because 4, if I put 4, then it won't be maximum. So my y is becoming 4. My y is becoming 4. Oh, sorry, 6. What I am doing? 6. Here, done. This question is done. What is the question asking? What is the value of y? The value of y is 6. What is the value of n? So n we got 5. Which value is not utilized? So 4 is not utilized. It's easy. It's easy. 4 is not utilized. What is the value of money? Money 10586. 10586. 10586 is the answer for this question. 10586. Yeah. So this is quite a good question. So let's solve one more question of similar type. Question. All the letters represents distinct digits or divisions. So TTN divided by R, P, M, D, A and R, Q, T, P, A, Q, D, A, D, P, T, P, S, PTPS, and the last is PMA. So this is the question. Okay, so let's solve the question. And this time let's try to solve the question with some let's take try to solve with some with less time. Okay, so again first okay, so so ttn multiplied by r, 4 digit we got, so r minus q we got 0, then only d comes and last a comes. So I can easily say if r minus q, this cannot be the same number, this cannot be the same number, and it can only give one as carry, right? R minus q, it cannot be the same number, no? 9 cannot be the same number, it will be 9 8 only. So suppose here it's 0, it's 9 over here, so 1 will be going carry over here, it will be coming 10 minus 9 is 1 1 0, 9 minus 1 8 8 0. So this is what happening here in the first chance. So I can say with my initial observation that r minus 1 is equal to q, r minus 1 is equal to q. So if I see the same thing, if I see the same thing over here in this one, just like here I found these two numbers, here also will be the same condition, here will be the same condition as well, and that same condition is how much? These two cannot be equal, q is equal to p is not possible, okay, and we know this is becoming 0, this is also becoming 0. So what I can say with this number is q minus p equal to 1, or q minus 1 equal to p, q minus 1 equal to p. So it's I can say if I want to write q, or let's write everything in terms of p, so q equal to how much? P plus 1, and here r can be written as q, sorry, r minus 1, yeah, okay, great, yeah, yes. So r will be written as q plus 1, and the value of q we already know, p plus 1, so p plus 1 plus 1, so r will be equal to how much? R will be equal to p plus 2, q is p plus 1, p. So can I just say that p, q and r are consecutive? P, q, r, these are consecutive. So one thing is done, p, q, r are consecutive, so one thing is done for sure. Okay, so p, q, r, so this much I can visualize. So one more thing, if I see that q is giving one carry, okay, q is giving one carry, then becoming, so what is happening? Previously it was d minus t, so d minus t, okay, one more thing is happening, let's bring this one, this whole qdad minus ptps to which if I just minus, so I will going to get, I'm getting pm, not to mention that this a is coming after this minus is finished, okay, this is coming in the next one. So yeah, So what I can understand from this equation is d minus s is something, I'm not sure. If d is greater than s, then fine, d minus s is m. If this is possible, let's just write case 1. Case 1, I just make it too big, so let me just resize it little bit. Yeah, that would be great. Yeah, let me keep here. And our case 1 is if d is greater than s. Okay, and in one case d is less than s. Possible? If d is greater than s, so d minus s equal to m. D minus s equal to m, no issue. So 9 minus 2 equal to 7, no issue. No carry, nothing as such. So if this is true, then I can say that a minus p is p. Okay, but if in this case now also two cases are possible. Okay, in this case also two cases are possible. If a is greater than p. Okay, and the suppose next thing is a is less than p. A is less than p. So if a is greater than p, what I can say, if a is greater than p, so a minus p equal to p. So a will be 2p. Okay, a will be becoming 2p. Done. And then again, what is happening? If no carry, nothing is going, so d minus t equal to 0. So d will be equal to t, which is not possible. So this case is not possible from here, or this case at the end is not possible. Let's just say no, this case is not possible. Yeah, this is not possible. Okay, this is not possible. So if this is not possible, if a is less than p, suppose it seems like 3268, right? Or d is greater than, let's replace it, 82. So 8 minus 2 is 6. 3. We should not take this value. Let's take something. Let's take something. 3. A equal to 2p. So a equal to. Let's take 4. No, 4. No, 16. 16. So let's take over here 6. 6, 8. Yeah, 6 and 8. Yeah, great. So for this to happen, if 1 is there, suppose I'm saying, or if 7 is there, 7, or here take 2. So what is happening? 1 is coming carry over here. It will becoming 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. Can you see the same similarity over here? Can you see? And here d is again, d is greater than s. This is also proving. And second thing is a is less than. So in this case, what is happening? 10 is coming. So what I can say, 10 plus a minus p equal to p, right? So I can say 2p equal to a plus 10, right? 2p, it's just a normal. Let me bring this much. Let me resize it smaller, because this is a wrong condition, so it should be smaller. And you come this side, give it some breathable space. Yeah, so this is what happening. One carry is coming. So if one carry is coming, so what will be 10 plus a minus p? Because what is happening here, it will be becoming 16 now. What is happening? How we used to calculate 6? Then again from 10 we used to minus 8. 1, 2. So 8 is coming. So similarly, I have written this one. So if I solve this one, what I am getting here is 2p equal to 10 plus a, and p is nothing but 5 plus a. And if I see in this condition, one equation I got, if I see in this condition, what will happen? D minus 1, because what is happening over here, it is becoming 6. So d minus 1 will be equal to t. So d equal to t plus 1, right? So d minus 1 equal to t, why I have written, or d minus 1 minus t equal to 0, right? D minus 1 minus t equal to 0. So d minus 1 equal to t. I can rewrite this. So these are the two things I received. So if it is less, then again let's find out now. Again same thing, na? Again same thing. There could be 2. But then one thing, if let me notice, is it going to matter? This thing, is it going to matter on all this one? Because in this also, na, a will be less than p, a will be greater than p. So we need to think that what are the possible values? So suppose if d is less, so what will happen? If d is less, so one carry will be coming. Okay, fine. So what a will be having? A minus 1. So a minus 1, it will be becoming a minus 1. In this case, what is happening? A minus 1 minus p equal to p. So a minus 1 equal to 2p, right? This is possible. One more thing is possible, that okay, if this a, but again, let's think about it. Let's think about this condition. So if I think that okay, this much is there, okay, and one more thing, that a minus 1, in this case a minus 1 is greater than p. So again here also same thing, d equal to t, which is not possible. So this is not possible. So this condition is not possible. So again, what could be the other condition? Other condition could be, I can write that 1 will be coming carry over here. So 10 plus a minus 1 minus p equal to p. Okay, so with this, what is happening, what I am getting is 9 plus a equal to 2p, right? 9 plus a equal to 2p. This is the equation. So, but one thing that I certainly say, that d minus t is okay. One more thing is, if I notice nicely, then no matter what, again here also I received one thing, d minus 1 minus t equal to 0. So d minus 1 equal to t. So one equation which is same for no matter what we choose, here or here, anywhere. So as of now this thing is possible, this thing could be possible, but of all the two, I can say this is for sure is possible. So let me think of it, what it could be. So if I think nicely of it, it's not the same number. If it's not the same number, what could be the value? Or let's suppose, then again one more thing is there, that d minus t. Okay, let's come to this part now. Till that one is over, let's think of it. D minus 1 equal to t. This is what for sure we have derived till now. But then again, what is happening? D minus 1 is t. Okay, and one more thing is there, q is giving 1 as carry. So can I say d minus 1 is less than t? This is also possible. Why? Because q is giving 1 carry, so that q is becoming q minus 1 then p, right? This is already we have discovered earlier. So I can say d minus 1 is less than t, and here is also d minus 1 equal to t. So when is it possible? When this is possible, 9 minus 1 is 8, but just take some example. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8, but 9 minus 1 is not equal to 8. So it's only possible when if I see correctly now, these are two different numbers, and then they are just giving 1 carry away in everything. It will be something, look to me, some 80s minus 79 in this form. I'm just saying in this form. What is happening? 1 how, or let's just take in this one 1 5. What is happening? This 0 is giving 1 carry to become 9, right? This 0 is giving 1 carry to become 9, so it is 11 minus 5 is 6, 9 minus 9 0, or this give 1 carry, so it will be becoming 0. This is the possible values. And if I see 0, d is 0, d 0, 0 minus 1, or then it got a 10, so 10 minus 1, 10 minus 1 equal to t, that is 9 equal to 9. But d itself, or let's just say d itself, not d minus 1, because d minus 1 is there, but d is less than t, then only it was only necessary for q to give a carry. D is less than t, so then only it's possible. Then it will be 0. Yeah, 0 is far greater than this one. So we need to visualize, otherwise if I take any value, if I just see this number 81, I'll just take 87, 8 as d, t as 7. Okay, so yeah, 8 minus 1 is 7, and 8 is less than 7. It's correct. But then again, p is not qualifying, na? If I take 8 as 7, 8 7, and then over here let's take 5 and 4, because one difference is there, and if it's giving 1 carry, so 2 5. Okay, so 2 5 to 12 minus 5 7, so it will be again 7 7 7 0, right? Will it not? Yeah. 2 minus 5, great. 8 minus 1 is 7 7 7 0, and 5 minus 4 is again, yes, I'm correct. 2 minus 5 2 3 4 5 7, right? 8 minus 1 is 7 7 7 0, and then 5 minus 4 is again 0. So this type of value could be possible. So as of now we did so many things, but all we know is these things, this one, and d minus 1 equal to t, first thing. And if d is greater than s, then p equal to 5 plus a. One thing, if d is less than s, then p equal 9 plus a equal to 2p. So odd plus odd is even. So with this one I can say a is odd in this condition. Okay, so far I haven't received anything to start with my equation. PQR dt, I'm just getting some values but nothing concrete as such. Okay, so right now 5487. Okay, okay, so as of now this is the value which I got. So let's now focus on this one. R double PM, R double PM, R double P M minus how, what is it? QTPA, 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 and what I'm getting? QDA, QDA, QDA. So again D is coming. So again D is coming. So I know that this is giving 1 as carry. This is giving 1 as carry, but 1 as carry I can say for sure. Okay, this much is done. So in this one I can say if M is greater than A, if M is greater than A, M is greater than A, then M minus A equal to A. So M will be 2A. Great. But if M is less than A, then it will be taking one as 1 from P, which is on the 10th digit. So that 10 will be 10 for him. So 10 plus M equal to minus A equal to A. The same thing which we did earlier. So 10 plus M equal to 2A. So A will be 5 plus M. So these are the two ratios. So if I take this one, if I move on with this one, that M is greater than A, then P minus P equal to D. So it will be surely, D will be surely equal to 0. Okay, but if M is less than A, if I suppose that M is less than A, in that condition P minus 1, okay, P minus 1, yeah, one more thing, it will be becoming, this will be becoming P minus 1, P minus 1 minus P, what will be happening? So this P will be giving 1, so it will be becoming, overall this equation will be becoming 10 plus P plus, yeah, 10 plus P minus 1, because that one it has already given, minus P equal to D. So overall it will be becoming, wait, what? Yeah, so D will be 10 plus, it will be overall 9 plus P minus P, 9 plus P minus P equal to D. So our D is becoming 9. So it all depends upon M and A, that either D could be 9 or D could be 0. Okay, D could be 9 or D could be 0. So if I go with this value, said that there is no transaction at all, okay, no carry, nothing. In this condition P minus T is equal to Q. Okay, P minus T equal to Q. And we have already said that PQR, these are successive numbers. PQR are successive numbers. Okay. So Q can be P minus T. Q can be written as P plus 1. So PP will be going away. So T will be becoming minus 1. Is it possible T to become minus 1? Not possible. So if this is not possible, what I can say, this is not possible, what I can say that this is also not possible. Okay, now we are getting some breakthrough. So in this one, if D is 9, so what should be the value of our P? If D is in, P could be anything for now, P could be anything. And what I said over here, that P is taking 1, so P minus 1. Okay, and one more thing is there, that we are sure that this P is, R is giving 1 again as a common. So 10 plus P minus 1 minus T equal to Q, right? So 9 plus P minus T equal to Q, and I can say Q equal to P plus 1. PP will cancel. So 9 minus T equal to 1. So my T will be becoming 8. My T will be becoming 8. Wait, let me check again. 9, right? My T will be becoming 8. I have made any mistake. 10 plus P, I am taking everywhere minus 1 minus T equal to Q. So 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 plus P minus T equal to again P plus 1. P plus 1, PP will go, 9 minus 1 equal to 1. So T is becoming 10 plus P minus 1, so 9 plus P. So 9 plus P PPM na. Okay, let me just see over here. What is the, have I made a mistake? If M is greater than A, so this will be true. If this is true, P minus P will be equal to D equal to 0. P minus P, D equal to 0. Okay. So wait a second. In this case, okay, I made a mistake. Yeah. So again, D equal to 0. Okay, this much is done. If P is greater than T, P can be less than T. But I know that R has given one factor, so I know P is less than T. P is going to be less than T. Right? P is going to be less than T. So what I can say, 10 plus P minus T equal to Q. 10 plus P minus T equal to P plus 1. So PP will go away. So T will be becoming 9. t could be 9, one possibility. And with this possibility, if I think that m is smaller, so it will be giving 1, so it will be becoming 10m plus a. Okay, great. But this again becoming minus, so p minus 1 plus 10, so d I am getting as 9. Okay, d I am getting as 9, and then again it will be less 1, p minus 1, 10 plus p minus 1, t cube, right? With this one I am getting t as 8. So now few things I am getting, few things I am still having some doubt. So what is the conclusion? If m is greater than a, in this condition m will be 2a, d will be 0, and t will be 9. And if m is less than a, then d will be 9 and t will be 8. So these are the two values till now. So it's all depend upon m and a. It's all depends down to now m and a. So if these things, I should just copy. I am still beginning. I am doing myself this question. That's why it's too hectic and not that much of good. But this is what I am learning, and one day I will try to solve this question within 5 or 7 minutes. Okay. So d minus t is 1. It is again following. So how to approach? What should be my next approach? This I should just reduce in size, because this is not that much relevant. What relevant is these things? P A T. This much I have done. Shall we start taking condition and then think which one might be correct, which one might be wrong? We can certainly do that. If a is taken as 0, p will be, if a is 0, p will be 5. Okay. And if a is 0, m could be anything. But here, okay, if m is less than, what is the value I got? 5 plus m equal to a. One more thing, na? 5 plus m is equal to a. If a is 0, p will be 5. Okay, and in this condition, if a is 0, p will be 5. In this condition, it's not possible. So this whole is not possible. But if this is true, then our m will be, wait, in this condition also not possible. So a being 0 is not possible. Okay, let's take A as 1. So P will be 6. P will be 6. And in this condition, M will be 2. M will be 2. Right. So 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, 7, 8, 9. So P will be 3, Q will be R, because this is only possible. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, is 7, 7 still unknown, 9, 0. Yeah, this is also a possibility. Nothing is. D will be less than S. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, as of now, I could not about to solve this question. So if you guys know, then help me. Otherwise, tomorrow I will try to solve again this question with the free mind. Because as far as now I can think of it, I could not able to find how to solve this question. I tried all the methods, everything as of now, but I think I need a fresh mind to solve this question. So it already take plenty of time. So for the time being, I will leave till here. If you guys know, then help me, or if not, then tomorrow I will give it a new mindset and try it with a new perspective to solve. Thank you.